welcome to Delamano Designs. My name is Amanda, and this is just a quick card tips video. So in this video, I am sharing a little tool that I made for myself, so that when I go to make a card, I pull out this tool and it kind of gives me an idea of what size card I want to make. So I'm going to show you some of the basic card sizes. And these I just made out of, I believe I just used my 80-pound Neenah White Solar cardstock, cut them down, and I keep them by my desk, and I just pull them out when I'm wanting to make a card, and then I can kind of see what products I'm using, and I can place them on the different sizes to see what would fit better. This first measurement, first one, this is a standard card, 3.5 by 5, and it's called a 4-bar card. You can do landscape and portrait with this, and this is an envelope, 4-bar envelope. I believe it's a Simon Says stamp, craft colored envelope, and that size is perfect for little note cards, little invitations. Yeah, that's a cute little card. This is a square size card. I went off the measurements of the envelopes that I have. There are many different sizes, but I have these from Studio Katia, and they measure about 4 3/4 by 4 3/4 square, and it fits nicely in there. Square cards are really fun to do. I haven't done too many of them, but I hope to do more, because you can do some pretty cool things with them that, you know, lend more to this size than to others. And we have our standard A2 size card, or the 4 1/4 by 5.5. That's usually what we all work with. And you can, you know, do these in portrait or landscape. And there are so many different options, like color, brands of envelopes, some with the adhesive, like this where you have to lick, or some with a sticker adhesive that you know comes with the removable cover, and then you can stick it down. So that's an A2 size card. Standard card for normally what I use the most also. Now, and then we have the 5 by 7 card, which is used a lot, you know, when you go buy a greeting card or at the store. They're usually 5 by 7s. And this is nice because it gives you more real estate to work with. And once again, you can do this landscape or portrait. The only color envelopes I have are white. Well, not really a color, but the only ones I have are white, because I don't make a whole lot of this size card, the A7 size cards. So I don't have a whole lot of envelopes. I have quite a collection of the A2 size, because that's what I make the most of. This next card is becoming quite popular, this card size, the Slimline card. And these measurements, I just base them off the envelopes that I have. So this is measure 4 by 9, and you can do a portrait or landscape. And these envelopes are from Simon Says Stamp, and they have that adhesive on the top that you could just remove the sticker, and then your adhesive is there, and you can close it without having to lick it, which is nice. So Slimlines are really fun. You can do different techniques with them, and just a longer space is really cool to work with. And then you can always change it depending on the size of your envelope. And then, of course, there are many tools out there that you can use. Memory Keepers makes an envelope punch board. that if you have a specialty size card, something that you can't find an envelope for, or if you want to make your own decorative envelope out of patterned paper, you could use that tool. And if you'd like to see that in use, leave a comment and I can do another video. But hope this helps. It sure helps me, and I will see you guys on the next video. Thanks so much for stopping by. Please hit the like and subscribe button and stay safe. See you soon.